Welcome to Pydle Day 87. Pydle is a daily Python puzzle and you solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is entitled Fries. So it looks a bit like McDonald's kind of fries. The red packet with some fries sticking out. Have a go at solving that. This one is quite easy. If you're new to Pydle, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle to give you some hints how to how to approach these problems. Yesterday's Pydle was a ladybug. If you just kind of try and see it, it's like the black are the legs, and then the red body and the black head. So we're gonna use Cartesian coordinates because there's some symmetry going on there. It's just more convenient. So let's do for y in range -2, 3, for x in range -2, 3. That's our two loops. Okay, let's do the whites first. Well, we don't have to worry about the blacks because that's the background color. So we're going to do the top. No, let's do the left and right because they are symmetrical. The bottom and the tops are slightly different. Okay, so if you say if absolute value of x equals 2 and absolute value of y equals 1, let's do, okay, if it doesn't indent, it means there's something wrong. Pydle x plus 2, 2 minus y, comma, no character, and white. Okay, let's see what that does. Okay, so that's the left and the right. So if we do the same for the top and bottom, you say or, just copy that over. And then you can do that one as y, that one x. Okay, so that's going to be symmetrical, and then we just need one more pixel. We could say or. Now I'm going to save a bit of space because we're going to run out. The length is going to be, line length is going to be over 80 characters, I think. Okay, so to test for that single pixel, we could just create a tuple and then compare it with the actual coordinates. But I think it's not going to like that. So it's 2 lines too long. No, it says there's a syntax error. What have I done? Okay, yeah, there's something at the end. Oh yeah. I think now it's going to say lines. Oh no, it's fine. Okay, that works. So that's all the whites. That's right. Okay, so now for the reds. Do else if. Now the reds is basically just absolute value of x less than 2 or and we need and absolute value of y less than 2. So that's the center area. So we're missing out the border, which is where x and y equals plus minus 2 So we're missing that out, and we just do the center pixels. Okay, so if we do that, for now we're just going to color them in as red. Build up the puzzle. Okay, there's the body. Now for the dots, so we're gonna do. So this works. I've tried this, so we're gonna get that. So that's the dot emoji, or think black circle, and the equation for that to be true is if absolute x plus absolute value of y equals 1. Okay, so if absolute value of x plus absolute value of y, so there y is 0, sorry, x is 0, y is 1, so that works. This x is still 0, minus 1, absolute value, that works. If you look at where it doesn't work, so in the corners it would be 2, and in the center it would be 0. So absolute value of x plus absolute value of y equaling 1 would only be true in that 4 locations with the dots. Okay, so let's run that, and that is our Pydle solved. Okay, so if you haven't solved that one and you just want to have a go, just do the steps I just did and see if it works for you. You can only do Pydle on Pydle.net. You can't do it in your Python at home because you won't have the Pydle function. Okay. Yeah, so the fries today is quite easy. So have a go and come back tomorrow for the solution.